Are you ready to make your PowerPoint presentations look more professional and visually stunning? Today, I'm going to show you how to import a color scheme into PowerPoint so your slides can perfectly match your brand or creative vision. Start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Whether it's a new project or an existing presentation, make sure your slides are ready to be customized. At the top of the screen, click on the Design tab. This is where you control the overall look and feel of your slides. In the Design tab, look for the Variants section. Here, you'll find options for fonts, effects, and most importantly, colors. Click on the Colors button and you'll see a drop-down with pre-existing color schemes, but we're going to take it a step further. Select Customize Colors from the drop-down. A new window will open where you can create your own personalized paletting. For each color in the scheme, click the drop-down and enter the exact color you want. If you have specific hex codes, this is the perfect time to use them. Just type in the 6-character combination of letters and numbers for each color. Repeat this for all the swatches in your palette to ensure a consistent and unique look. Once all your colors are set, give your new palette a descriptive name at the bottom of the window, then click Save. That's it. Your custom color scheme is now imported and ready to use, giving your presentation a professional and cohesive appearance. Experiment with different colors, have fun with your designs, and watch your slides transform into something truly eye-catching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips to elevate your presentations.